guys, it's me, CarlWheezer, and today I will be playing Total Party Kill. I've been playing this game a little bit recently and really been enjoying it. So, I really hope that you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Before we begin, I would really love it if you guys could drop a like and subscribe, because your support really means a lot to me. Yeah, if you'd like to see me do another game that you really enjoy, please let me know in the comments. And I've been thinking of doing a Minecraft Let's Play, so if you think that that's a good idea, let me know as well. Yeah, with that, let's get started. Alright. Let's throw him down there. Darn it! Okay. Darn it! Oh yeah! Look at him do his happy little dance. You deserve that happy dance, my guy. Yeah, the knight is pretty much useless in most situations, but he's basically just the guy that you kill everywhere. Thornton Grove. I don't care. You guys are just kind of, bugging me with the ads. Did you murder your mom? Of course I did. I mean, no, definitely not. Only a weirdo would murder their mom. Oh yeah, we got it, oh yeah. I love their little happy dances. They're just so wonderful. Alrighty then. Alright, you're gonna be the first one to kill yourself, alright? Well, I made an oopsie, but that's all part of the game. It's all in the experience. Yeah, I'm not too sure how to do this one. I know Mr. Knight goes there. Damn it! It's another one of these dumb ads. I don't care. Only I'm allowed to do all that talking during a game, not you. Alright. This is one of the few maps That is entirely night dependent. Oh yeah, experienced adventurer. I'm experienced. I'm not an idiot like everyone says. Or so I thought. I am unbelievably disappointed at that. Not nearly as disappointed as I am in my performance there. I think the archer looks hilarious when he runs. His little tiny feet. Alright, this was only meant to be kind of a short video, so I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks for watching if you watched until the end. If not, I don't really care, it's your choice. Yeah. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and may you be blessed with eternal croissants.